We are going to start with blank report today, and we will start with some of the visualization. Like we are starting with lines and stacked column chart. First, what we need to do rename it. We just simply click here and we will put the name line and stack chart. Line and column charts. So we have few data here which we have used already in previous demos. Now today we are going to use USA Superstore data. First we will see the field of this and we will see it's have multiple fields. So today we will create a chart from this data and we click on specific visualization, second row, fourth element, line and stacked column chart. This will add in a blank card there and for better view we will just extend it 5. So if filter pan is open in your chart, just hide it. If we are going to add and simply drag and drop sales here and subcategory rows, here you can see our column chart populated. Note that this corresponds to one series, that is sales in our Superstore USA. Now switch to the format pane. If, if we go to the format pane, we can now can have various kind of formatting. Like if we click on x-axis, we can increase the size of font for better view, and we can even increase title here. So if we increase that title here, you will see the view has been changed. Now at the same way, what we are going to do, we are going on y-axis, and here what we are going to do, we can increase the values of minimum to maximum. For now I'm just using this information only. So we can go back to visualization and we can format our page according to our requirement. So now if I want to use filter cards, I want to use canvas setting, I want to change canvas background, so I can just go here and can do in my settings area beneath the visuals. If I can I want to change the wallpaper, I can do even here. So what if I go to the changes on y-axis or zoom slider or in columns, so you can change data according to your requirement. If I'm going to here in more options, so we can experiment with chart in few different ways. So I'm clicking here to show as a table, analyze and to summarize. If I want to use some filters and slices, even we can do here. There are not any filters applied right now, but we can apply if we really want. So if I am clicking here on three dots button and I am clicking here show text by subcategory, then you can see a change. Order of the bar will change and this has the initial effect of sorting in descending order from table to accessories. Table to accessories. So now again I am changing here showed by ascending. So it's changed from accessories to table. Now we can hover over and we can see the details of each and every bar like subcategory accessory, sum of sales is this. Subcategories art, sum of sale is this. Subcategories appliances, subcategory of binders, bookcase, chairs, copiers and various kind of subcategories we can even check here and we can see that there is a at first place there is accessories and at the last place there is a table. So what we will do, we will go back here again and what we are going to do now, it was show descending, it was shown on subcategory I guess. So this was like I have sorted based on sales. Now drag and drop segment on column legend. Where is the call segment? As we put it here, this is a stacked column chart and these are the legends. So these are also these are legends over on the top left and these are accumulation rather than placed next to each other. Remember that if we have stacked one, if we have one top of another, we have stacked column chart on the bar. If at the other of hand, if at the other hand they are placed next to each other, are known as clustered column chart. In any case, we spend some time in hovering over on the different segment. That will be a clustered column chart. And tooltip includes information about three fields: subcategory, segment, and sum of sales. We now have stacked column chart, but we don't have line in chart. Before that, we just fix the formatting of stacked column chart. We will go to the format pane and we will add in here some of the values which you really want to inform, which you really want to add. You can even add in here. So first I'm going to do, I'm going to on data labels. This will uh, include the data labels here. And what I will do next, I will go and increase the size so it can be more visible on y-axis. Now what I will do, I will go again to the total labels and will turn on. As I am going to turn on it, it will show total values here. See, if I am hovering over here, you can see there are four values: subcategory, segment, sum of sales, and total. And you can see at the tooltip, this is the same value as this is here into here 330.401k. See here, there is a total value 223.843, and this is also the similar value. So now we go to the focus mode. In focus mode, we can view the data in more clear format. We can see the last one values here 3.02k, and this is a segment corporate, and the total value is 12.4. This is also the similar value. Now back to the report, and we may just try adding line component here to the line and stack chart. Adding profit field to, what we'll do, we'll go here now. Now search profit field and add it here in line axis. Then you will see doing so will allow line and stacked column chart. That line chart is showing for the profit. So we can see for subcategory chairs, profit is this one and total sale is this one. For subcategory tables, profit is negative terms. For subcategory copiers, profit is I guess maximum. So you can play around with a stacked and line chart in number of ways. So now we are going to back to format panes, and I am turning back to off and total label into off. We can play around with some markers, some line, zoom slider. The way we can represent our line and stack chart in a bit better way, we can play around with that. Okay friends, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I will continue in next video with the same demo.